the scenario is based on one of the richest casino cities in the world. That's Macau. But then because they have a lot of money, but they have little infrastructure, and they made all the money from tax on the casino industry. And what the brief focuses on is to make the society a more healthy economical structure. And then we have this design brief to focus on public realm design to help with the city's transitional phase. So the results of this competition was sent to the local government as a proposal, as you can see here, with 2 different languages. And after a few months, they started reconstructing the site that they left vacant for over 5 years. So we think we have some influence on the local government in a sense. So for this studio, we invited the winners from mOOO1 competition, Jason Gao, who graduated from the University of Michigan, and he's now working at Perkins and Will in Washington, D.C. And we also have Sean working in ECADI, ECADI? Is that how you pronounce it? ECADI in Shanghai. And he's also formerly worked in Kengo Kuma Associates. And I have a few slides from the tutors here. Okay, so this is some of the design work done by Jason, and you can see his drawing style. It's very vibrant and very conceptual drawings here. And then we have more practical kind of design with Sean's has a lot of practical experience in different design firms, and we think this combination of tutors will help you design both well in design concept and also the practicality. And yeah, and we will be using the context of Fun Palace, which is David, can you explain more on the Fun Palace? I think you did an intensive research on this topic. Well, I'm just gonna go through it briefly. It's a concept proposed by Cedric Price, and it's like a historical typology that they believe human beings can live together with all the programs into one huge building complex, and then they call it the Fun Palace, where you have all the socials, entertainment, and living together. And what we're trying to achieve with this brief is to combine the existing entertainment industry and also the public realm design so that it turns the society into a much more healthy infrastructure. So a bit like Fun Palace, but not with so much steel structure all over the city. Okay. If you guys have any questions, please email the tutors on this one.